Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Slack to Claude. Click your user profile at the bottom left to open the user menu, then select Settings. When the Settings modal opens, click on Connectors in the sidebar. A list of available integrations appears, showing services Claude can connect to. Find Slack in the list and click the Connect button beside it, which opens the Slack directory page showing what Claude will be able to access. Click the Connect button in the top right corner, and a Grant Access to Slack modal appears, asking you to authorize the connection. The browser navigates to Slack's sign-in page, where you'll choose which workspace to connect and confirm access. If the Grant Access modal doesn't appear, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups. Look for a notification in your address bar and click to allow pop-ups for Claude. Once connected, Claude can read your Slack messages to answer questions about what's been happening in your workspace, but it won't post or send anything without you explicitly asking it to. You can disconnect Slack at any time by going back to the connectors page and clicking disconnect. And that's how to connect Slack to Claude. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.